Hi, Daniel.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm also good, Daniel. So, basically, where are you from?
I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad now.
Okay. So, what is your highest qualification?
I have recently completed my MBA in Finance Specialization in MBS Engineering College, Hyderabad in 2024.
So, how do you get to know about SBC Career Solutions?
Actually, I have searched on the internet and I came to know about SVC through Instagram.
Good. So, what have you learned in SVC in your 2 months of course duration?
In SVC, I have learned about investment banking, research analysis, and accounting knowledge, and also real-time trading and how to pick some stocks. And also, I have learned about financial statements, accounting concepts and conventions, and financial markets, corporate actions, etc.
Okay. So, apart from that, do you ever participate in any other extra activities like jam?
Yes, ma'am. I have participated in group discussions, jam sessions, and also I have attended the mock interviews, which have helped me to improve my communication as well as my technical skills.
Okay. Good to hear that, Daniel. So, will you share your interview experience with us?
Actually, I have selected for Goldman Sachs, and there were 3 rounds. And first one was HR personal interview, and the other 2 rounds were manager rounds. And the first one went for 5 minutes. Like they have asked the self introduction and walking through your resume. And second round, it went for approximately 25 minutes. And again, they have asked about the corporate actions like financial statements.
Okay. Good to hear that.
Yes, ma'am.
So, congratulations that you got placed for Goldman Sachs. And what is the suggestion you would like to give to our existing students?
I would suggest everyone to attend mock interviews, also participate in group discussions and jam sessions, which will definitely help in improving their communication and technical skills. And if you have very good knowledge, and definitely you can crack any interview.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
Thank you.
All the very best.
Thank you, ma'am.